Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. Number 1. School. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Number 2. Play. I like to play with my friends. Number 3. Blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Number 4. Food. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Number 5. Toy. I have a toy train. I have a toy train. Number 6. Watch. I watch cartoon on TV. I watch cartoon on TV. Number 7. Lunch. My mother packs my lunch for school. My mother packs my lunch for school. Number 8. Sad. She was sad yesterday. She was sad yesterday. Number 9. Car. We travel by car. Number 10. Poor. This girl is poor. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.